Southwest Airlines, and especially this flight crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Islip, Long Island. Please do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and those carry-on items right where they are until we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.